You ever wonder how the big brands do it? How they design exceptional sportswear that keeps us captivated, that makes us look and feel our best, and how you can as well as a sportswear designer working in the field for over the last 7 years, working with over 1,000 brands and having designed easily over 5,000 different products. I'm going to be uncovering my secrets in this episode.
In sportswear, John.
Nike creating a lot of buzz today.
Trying to make things simple.
Company, we returned to growth in the fourth quarter.
The first principle that you must adhere to is that functionality always comes first. You need to understand the demands of the user in the finished product. Consider closely the sport that you're designing for. In cycling wear, you need to cut the clothing tight to the skin to reduce the drag so that when you're cycling through, you don't have any unnecessary pull from the wind around you. We need to focus on durability. Durability comes in the form of the fabric selected, comes in the form of how the design is created, how it's crafted. Adding the durability through whatever way we can enhances the life cycle of the garment and creates a better experience for your customers overall. The second key principle is to focus on comfort and fit. It's neither too loose nor is it too tight. And if it is loose, there's a reason for the looseness. And if it's too tight, then there's a reason for it. Perhaps it's muscle defining. What is a way for us to ensure comfort and fit? We can map bodies. Understanding the unique contours, the shapes, the bodies of the end user is going to be key. We also need to focus on flexible movement when it comes to comfort. Let's just say we're designing a compression t-shirt. The enhanced range of motion that we get from one piece of fabric that goes and acts as the entire sleeve tie is an added value, and it makes sense for compression wear. Correct fabric selection. Design your garments with the right fabrics in mind. Provide comfort to the user, regulate body temperature, provide durability and enhanced customer experience. You can design the best garment in the world, the most highly functional garment. If it feels rough, if it feels cheap, your customers are going to form a bad opinion about your products. So making sure that there's a general understanding of what is considered as high quality is going to be key. When it comes to aesthetic appeal, you obviously need to consider the trends. A good example of this would be this highly focused graphic trend that the sportswear industry is currently experiencing. Also consider developing signature design features. These can be things like a specific color palette they use or a silhouette that you like. How can you create a signature look if each product or each collection has a dissonance to it or a dissociation between the collections? Adaptability and versatility. Make sure that you're adding multiple layers, adding modularity. Focus on understanding how different designs, different silhouettes, different pieces engage and interact together in a way that enhances them is very important. Last but not least is going to be your modular components. These can be things such as detachable hoods, detachable sleeves, to be able to convert a long sleeve zip jacket into a half sleeve or a non-sleeve, or if you don't need it, you can have it as a regular running short. These modular components enhance the usability of the garment and allow it to take on a variety of different uses and enhance it in those specific uses. These guys are my key principles for quality sportswear design. If you want my personal opinion on how you can enhance your collection, check the link in the description. I offer one-on-one consultation calls every single week with limited slots, but what we'll do is we'll hop on that call. I'll understand what you're looking to make, what your brand's all about, and I'll tailor an action plan for you so that you can design the best quality clothing out there. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of Fittdesign TV. Until next week's episode, stay awesome.